Okay,
Please
so
go ahead.
yesterday we have seen about that manage instance and Azure SQL database. Okay, so today we are going to do the troubleshooting part, how to enable the network for managed instance to connect from SSMS basically. Okay, because yesterday we are not unable to connect that one. Okay, so let me
Mhm.
connect with the portal
So,
first.
Shailesh,
Mhm.
please share the screen.
Yeah, yeah. Let me connect with
Sure.
the system. Ta-da. Now we have, yeah. I think my screen visible to you all.
Yeah,
Okay.
right now we are good.
Yeah. Yes.
Mhm, mhm.
Recording is started, right?
I
Yeah.
think
Already
so.
started.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is showing.
So now we are in Azure portal and then we have see our resources. So basically we are going to see the manage instance and all. Okay. So this is our manage instance and it is stop mode. Now we can start this first. And we have already SSMS. Okay. So basically for connecting the system now we are getting that network cases. Okay. So basically I think we have not allowed in our network. Okay. For outside. So let's check our network security and all. Mhm, mhm. Mm, mm. So still it is starting the instance. Okay. After that we can connect. Mhm. Basically Azure is in a very slow process basically. In 2015, I stopped working on this platform basically. That time also the portal is very slow. The login page and all. Mhm, mhm. Okay, so let's discuss something in between that about the manage instance. Okay, so we can create replication, or we can say that always on or clustering to on this managed instance for high abilities and DR solution or for migration purpose also. Okay, these are technology we can use. Okay, and no. Okay, so this is geo replication is providing. Okay, so we have to just select the geo replication for replicating data in synchronized or asynchronous mode in the different data. We can say different zones basically. Okay, and we can also configure the failover clustering. So we can see that it will help us to create from the management studio. So if we are successfully connecting with the management studio, then we can implement that replication, or we can say clustering, or we can say that uh, always on. Just taking time.
It is second time we are starting, but still it is taking time, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's very bad basically. But there's no data, no Windows and then SQL services, nothing else in the system. So how it is created now, this totally a I think from DB perspective is very bad because basically we are not having any data on the server.
Hmm.
Normal physical server or normal VM will start in 2 or 3 minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah, last 4 minutes we are waiting. So this is totally a bad practice for us. We are stopping and starting the managed instance on Azure. Let's see. This is an experience also, but yeah. But from my side, from being a DB, and I do
Palace
not.
for
Mhm,
one doubt I have. For which
mhm.
purpose be? I mean, you can recommend SQL MI for. I mean, for
See,
which purpose is it especially for?
basically, if a small company, not an enterprise, basically, but a small companies, they have do not have a
Hmm.
DBA or Windows team or server team.
Hmm.
They do not have a data center. So
Hmm.
that client can go to the Azure or any cloud services because they are, do
Hmm.
not know how to manage or monitor the systems. Okay,
Right.
so they
Right.
can purchase here. Okay, if you have a DB or enterprise level of application, or you have a data center or NOC team or SOC team, whatever, so you can
Hmm.
manage your VM level, infra level system. Okay, so you can manage all these things, but in PaaS you are using only 30 to 40% permissions you have to configure and implement the
Right.
databases. Yeah,
Very limited things we can do.
yeah, limited thing. Yeah, limited thing basically. And for high abilities, this is a scale out, a scale in basically. So okay, basically this is for if you have a more this connections, ad hoc, basically ad hoc connections, no? So you can just ask for a scale, so it will automatically
Hmm.
scale out. Okay, so it will
Hmm.
add processor, RAM. Okay, so no need to monitor that. Okay,
Hmm.
let me show
In
you
the
one post.
in the first video, we learn a VM creation, right?
Yes, yes,
And network setup.
yes. Basically, the basic one. How can we set up a VM and all?
And second one,
See,
Azure
I
Managed
for.
Instance and Azure
Mhm.
Instance.
Yes, yes. No, this one not.
Sellers, can you provide that PPT? We can read, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I will provide, or I will share that one also. Where is that? I have posted here. See this one. I think so. See, who is responsible for what? Okay, this is SaaS services, PaaS and S and on-premise. Okay, so Microsoft manage on SaaS everything: application, network, operating system, physical host network, and data centers. Customer can manage that their infra data, information data and devices and account and all. In PaaS, you can just control your network, not operating system. See,
Mm-hmm.
but in infra, you can manage your operating system. Means you can
All
create
the
your
things.
VM, you can create storage. Yeah, you can add a storage, additional storage. But on premise, you can do everything. Means you require a network admin, sorry, Windows admin, application team, and database team.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing. Okay. So basically, this is the process and this is the support level chart basically for SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS on premises. This is the difference basically. So the client who has no any, this is a startup company. Let's say a startup company. Their website, their data, their application, they can go with that cloud and they will not managing. They're just opening a ticket if they are facing the issues. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
nothing else. It is very hectic task. Basically, I do not prefer this one. Okay, Azure. RD is very good. Yeah.
Okay, Azure VM is also good option, right? We can do that.
Nowadays, little bit, but not uh, compared to AWS basically.
Okay, okay.
GCP is also good, but they are more binded. All these things they have less command. Sorry, GUI level tool. Okay, they are mostly command level tools.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. We will learn next time AWS from you.
No, basically, I get a client for monitoring and manage basically most of the RDS only. Okay, not Azure.
Mhm.
And some private cloud from the Dubai. Okay, so they have also a client like they are just raising a tickets. They are deleting our data and they're asking for recovery.
Mhm. If you don't mind, Salis, from which training institute you are associated with?
I am not from any institute basically. I am a
Okay,
consultant. Yeah, I am a consultant.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Acha, you provide the trainings. Okay,
The trainings and yeah, we have a team basically. We are providing an MDM, Informatica MDM and SQL, Postgres. Okay,
okay, okay.
and .NET too. Okay, so basically since 15 years we are in a group, so we are working together.
Mhm.
Basically, I prefer consulting only, but if you get any requirement, na, very yeah, then we can then I provide training. Else not. Started get couple of mail for training for Bangalore and Gujarat. Okay, but I
Okay,
refuse to provide training. Yeah,
okay. Right now you are located in Bangalore,
Delhi NCR.
or Delhi
And
NCR.
then,
Okay,
yeah.
10 years in Mumbai. Then
okay.
last 9 years I'm in Delhi.
10 years in Mumbai. Where?
Sorry, Panvel.
Panvel. Okay. I lived in
Yeah,
Koper Khan 12
Copper
years.
Kherna. Okay, okay. Yeah, Copper Kherna. Couple of my colleagues that time. Okay,
Okay,
they are
okay,
now they are also in the Delhi NCR. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
In which company there you were work?
Many companies basically, Serco, India Infoline, Net Magic.
Okay,
Now
okay,
Magic is entity data. Okay.
okay. NTT,
Nippon Technology. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay,
Entity.
okay.
Okay. And
NTT and
one,
Aravali,
yes, earlier. Yeah.
Mind Space. Mm,
Hmm. So too many
okay, okay.
companies. Yeah, it's taking too much time. Oh, basically, I stopped that. Now this is saying that we have only 9,000 CPU utilization less. Okay, so that's why they are calculating DTU. Na, that's why it's a
Mm,
free. So I stop that one. And fast automatically to let's get started. And data is also it will, yeah, okay. Let's wait. Anything else you can discuss about performance tuning? Because I think we have to cover this also. Ta, 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 performance tuning. So we can discuss that one also. Aman. Now, This is about query optimization. Okay.
Mhm.
So let me copy this here in Notepad or in this PPT in the last. So have you faced any query level issues in your current environment? Any slowness
Query.
issue, any slowness issue? Sometimes client saying that they are facing slowness on the application side.
Right now, not, but
One.
definitely we
Hmm.
will get because we have many past instances, so we need to work
Hmm.
on that.
Okay, so in PaaS we have an insight. Okay,
Mhm.
insight tool that will help you
Mhm.
like query tuning advisor, like in Profiler or DT. Okay, it will recommend you how where you have to create index and which indexes basically. Okay,
Okay. So that is
and
inside online tool that is.
this is online tool we get here. We can even connect this system na. We get a one left side button. Okay, so we have to just click on that and we can go with the recommendation, and if you go with that recommendation you can just click that, implement that, but it will
Mhm.
taking too much time. So from my side the best practice is just copy this script and run from management studio simply,
Okay.
not from the portal, because from the portal it will take
Okay.
2 or 3 days.
Oh, okay.
So my
Tell us
practice is
one
Mhm,
problem I am facing right now. Suppose I want to run a
mhm,
query to collect some data from all the databases in the Azure.
mhm,
So
mhm.
that query does not run in the, all
Azure,
the
Azure,
database.
will not, Azure will not provide that actually, I think. Azure, we
No,
have to
you are on infra or you're on pass.
pass,
Pass,
pass.
pass.
Pass is not possible because pass is different DMBs and all.
Okay.
For each and every database, we
Yeah,
have to run
same.
Yeah.
separate.
Suppose we are referring one database that will collect from that database only.
Yeah,
Yes, simply yes, that is only.
Because
Yes.
one of the query I was running in, on-prem environment that was working
Mhm.
fine. When I run the Azure, that is giving error.
On premise is that is different one. That is very easy to manage from our side, but on manage instance, there are too many differences. The DMB is different. Okay,
Right.
the keywords is different. The resource name is different. Okay,
Hmm.
here we have to check the resources stats. The DM is different. Resources stats
Right.
like that.
Right. Right.
So that
that's
is different.
one more doubt actually. I got a ticket like create server link, pass servers.
Server
Uh,
link, linked
pass,
server,
pass.
linked
Sorry,
server.
link
No?
server, link
Mhm.
servers. So is it possible to create from Azure to Azure?
Azure to Azure from PaaS, you just
Yeah.
provide the same code. So we can see that here. Okay, let me check that if you are not getting it. Just we have to provide the server name, port name, and the login ID and SQL login ID and password only, not different one. So that will connect and you have get the access of database. Basically, that is for reporting purpose, or we can say that remote queries.
Still I have a doubt. According to my knowledge, it is not possible to create a link server in PaaS.
Let's see. Basically, that is not a feature, but because this is totally a hard coded. Now, basically, they are not allowing you to, we can say that connect from that their environment. Basically, you have to just provide that server inbound or outbound on firewall settings. Basically, for this, there's a different port for that. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Let's see. Yeah, just note it down. We can just try this one also. Okay, because mainly you can, as you have a SQL Server instance. Okay, this is also an instance basically. Okay, so you can just connect here. If it's possible to connect here, na, then we can just try to connect that. Just we have to provide host name and the library name. Okay, or we can say that, or we can just configure the ODBC. The simple way we can configure the ODBC and then we can connect. That the other two or three ways we can connect that one.
Okay.
Yes. Uh-oh, it's taking too much time, yeah. Uh, Still starting. Have you used Query Store?
Uh, Actually, we don't have access for the portal.
No, because in PaaS you have to just learn about the Query Store also. Mhm. Yes. Okay, so in data management, index fragmentation, and reorganize, that is the index part, statics, and this is about this recovery scope. Where is that? Or that is IQP, Intelligence Query Processing, that is introduced in 2017. It will also help in your tuning part. Then you have to work on table partitioning and live query stats, query plan and all. So I think you are aware about this tool basically. Here is something like estimated plan, then we have actual plan, and then we have a live activity, live query process statics. Do you know about these three things in the performance tuning or query tuning?
Statistics, we need to update for
No,
that.
any idea have you done
Simply
basically what is estimated, what is actual, and what is live query?
estimated. I estimated. I think that gives the execution plan is
Hmm.
based on the previous execution or as just estimated without executing the query. But actual
Yes,
one,
right.
it gives the output after executing the actual query, and based on that, it display.
Yeah, reading the whole data and
Client,
then. Mhm.
yeah, right. Client statistics, it will give the result on every execution, how the query is performing and what step it is taking more time and cost.
Yes, yeah. So these are the part of query tuning. So query performance tuning optimization. Okay, so we will see that part also. So just Google some. Okay, and I will share this PPT also. And query plan. So this is a query plan basically. Okay, and then will dynamic management view. Query storage also required. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Any idea about extended events? It will also help in performance tuning basically. The system, yeah, now it is ready. Okay, so then we have to go to the network, then we have to enable this. This is already enabled basically. Okay, and now we have to add something here like inbound or outbound. Where is that? Uh-oh. So how can we create public endpoint? We have started this public endpoint. So connect, and then we have an endpoint, this one. Okay. So without using VPN is configured, and we have an endpoint also here. Okay, so I think we are not missing anything here. Endpoint already enabled. And anything else? No, 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 no. Okay, because we have public endpoint, we are not going to private and all. Mhm. So just come to this. And then we have a port number, okay, colon, sorry, port number is 1433. Then we have a SQL account, that is pass admin, then the password. Now anything else here? Trusted connections, okay. And try from here also. Mhm. TCP/IP connection program, because why? Azure file is not configured. Private endpoint. Configure this one also. Okay. No. No. What is missing here? DNS, nothing. Same error. I think it is not reaching to that. So firewall is main. Okay. Firewall. The file disable here. Anything else not? Yeah, it is directly. Okay, so we have to just open this port 3342 for this remote connection basically. So this is the endpoint. Network security group. Okay. No. Okay. Energy you need to configure here basically. But we are not getting option here, na NSG. Why? This is free version, that's why. Let's get this basically. No.
Maybe because of the free version.
Maybe, yeah, I'm not getting that option basically because they just we have to just pass this port number 3342 basically. Yeah, we are not getting here. Oh, no. It's totally wrong basically. Let's see. Portal, we have to just go to security, then network, disable this and save and update, then allow public endpoint traffic network security. Okay. Here we have to just configure our virtual network. Yeah, that's what we have done here. Then we need to go to subnet basically. I think so. Just check if we are getting here subnet. No. Monitoring settings. Then subnet. Let's see. Then we have a managed instance, this one. And now it is saying that we have to add different subnet. I think so. It is modifying this one. Okay.
Public endpoint traffic.
Yes. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Then we have to just allow this one. Okay. This one, I think. Reroute energy here. Okay. See, energy free pass. Okay. In that,
Mhm.
we need to add. It's already, see, allowed, na?
Mhm.
It's already allowed.
To record deny on public port 3342.
Yeah, this already allowed.
Allowed device.
Mm-hmm.
Any other port?
No, not any other port. Because this is we are configuring this on this port only, no? The
Mhm.
default port for this managed
Okay, okay.
instance. Yeah, that is 443
Three.
TCP/IP. See, this is enable already enable outbound. Okay, it is saying in inbound basically.
No, no. For SQL, this one
Mm-hmm.
manage instance. What is the default port? 3342.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
इसको something. Is there? I
See,
was
let
thinking,
me
is there any other setting that we need to do?
let we can verify that is saying that action protocol TCP/IP action allow priority this one, and you can see this in figure. See, public endpoint port number this TCP/IP virtual network any and allow. Let's see what we have. See the same we have. I think so. No. Okay. So we have to modify this any. Okay. We have limited that. Custom port source start have any no, this is source and destination source, and then protocol TCP/IP allow all. This is all allow traffic manage this and point custom. Okay, destination any. Okay, source start, that is the VLAN. Okay, because we have selected our VLAN only. Okay, that's why it is now passing in custom services. Okay, see. Okay, updating the roles. Now it is any. No, source is also any. I think so. As per recommendation. Let's try one more time. I can modify this. Mhm. Now, so we can modify this one also. Not internet. Okay, this one. Not getting this one. What is this tag? Any star any custom. Okay, it is totally open basically. Okay. Okay, then we can go to this, then we can enable this one. What is security? Now save it. Mhm. See, this is the problem here basically. If you are going to change anything, it will take time. On infra, you cannot, you do not have to wait. See, still is disabled. Let's refresh once. So NICE is basically a network group, basically. Okay, network security group. So how we are allowing to enter the system or basically inbound or outbound settings.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ta-ta-ta-ra. I think now we can connect basically. Configuration part is always boring. On premise or cloud, whatever. It will taking time and everything. Just you have to implement, restart, and wait for commit and all. Yes, done. Okay. Enable. Okay, okay, okay. Just retry. I think we do not need to change anything for connection string, basically. Encryption true, okay. Retro, okay, important database is simple. But this the seat is not reaching there. We can get here the database name too. If it is reaching properly. Or we can just pass connection string also. No, same error. Why? Nothing else. Let's try once more, or we can just change this one. Oh, you are not getting active log here. It is not reaching some. This is all that manage instance only. No. What happened here? Now it is totally enable. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, same settings that. No, no, I think something we have missed here. What is the point basically? VM is ready, everything. But, instance pool is not required basically. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. So this one allowed. What is missing? He's saying deny. Okay. Is it false? Basically not required. I think port 334 is saying that not for SQL authentication. Let's say 334 you can pass. Oh, sorry. Without port connected. Cancel. Right. Then we have this. Now, mm, 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 mm. What happened, guys? Required basically built-in firewall disable, not configure firewall. Okay, I think we are killing time basically. Okay, let's work on that SQL Azure. Okay,
Yeah, please,
Then-
Salesh, because it is taking time, so we can have to proceed other.
yeah. Let's. So I can just look into that after this session. Okay, now come to the home. Then we have Azure database DP 300, and now we can connect. Okay, so here I think yesterday we have connected. I think so. No, we will connect that one. Okay, and then we have ASQL and then the password. Okay, that's the firewall rules. Mhm. Okay, we have changed that one. That's why it is asking maybe. Okay, now, uh-oh. It is not connecting. Why? Password is same I'm passing here. Connect. Yeah, okay. So now we have a DP database. Now we can new query. For this, in security, we can so check the default users and all, and then we can create one more. Uh-oh.
Here is it is
Time,
also slow. Okay, error.
time. Yeah, timeout basically. See,
Hmm.
not responding proper virtual network.
So everything we have to do here only, right? It is not able to connect in SSMS.
No. This is about Azure SQL. We are not able to connect basically manage instance. Okay. basically rule is enable. Okay, we have
Mhm,
provided all. Basically, we are not binding any IP address and all. Okay, basically
mhm.
it's totally open, but still we are facing. So I will try to do today. Yeah, after this call. See, so we have only one SQL user here. You can also map here the MFI ID. Okay, Maxtra ID. If we enable from here Maxtra ID, see, we can say that we have to just go with that VM part. Mm, it's manage instance. See, see. So we just need to enable this one, these features basically. Okay, and then we have to map the resources and all, and then we can manage users and we can authenticate to use that SQL Server authentication. Sorry, not SQL Server, but basically it is like Windows authentication. Okay, it will manage your database and try to as per the try to query or try to manipulate the data as per their access and all. Okay, but before that we have to just enable it. This is area account basically. Okay, this is taking from my portal. That is my account only. This one we can connect from this user also, the Gmail account and all. Or you can make admin as well here. Set admin or remove admin. Okay. So my account is admin currently. Okay. This user. Mm, Now we can monitor this from here basically. See. So just we have to add here settings and all for these resources and SQL audits. Basically, we do the two things. Okay. Not require all these things. Okay. And see audit logs or all logs we can say, and then we can see SQL audit. Uh-oh, I think it's wrong here. Destination. So where we have to keep these logs basically. So we can say that here. Okay. And I think this is free or paid. Going for this place, and this is paid basically. Okay. Not archive storage. Then save this one. So basically, we have to just perform each and everything from the this portal only. Okay. So it will save it and now back. And you can refresh after some time. We get the data and all. See. Then we have matrix. So matrix we can add as per our requirement. That is, if you know about that perfmon. Have you seen the perfmon? Microsoft
No.
Windows perfmon. Let's see perfmon. Okay, this is perfmon. So this is working same as a performance monitor basically. Okay, just we have to click here, and then we can add here. See, this is a graphical tool. This is only taking processor time. If you want to add here, okay. So this is a local system, and then we are working on SQL Server. So we can select as per our requirement. Let's see SQL buffer. Okay, and in buffer we can add whatever we required, like too many things here. Okay, so we can see page life expectancy, just we can add, then page read per second, page write per second, and then not lazy writer, and this you can say checkpoint not required for monitoring basically, buffer heat ratio. Okay, so like same it will work. Okay, that is matrix. We will just add here, so you can monitor system from like this. Okay, see the graph. Okay, so here we will select the matrix. See, basically mainly we have getting for storage, virtual core, IO write, read. So we can check the IO from here, the graph. So you can just check how much we are writing data into the databases. This is just for monitoring purpose only. You can set alert here if you want to set an alert like logging fail or disk size, or we can say that log file full. So you can just click here and then you have to just select all these things. Okay, or you can just customize. Okay, see, so like we can say that average CPU. Okay, just select this one and you can set here. Okay, threshold value. Okay, basically for the CPU part, if you are seeing that the CPU less than 60%, means you have to work on your ion memory basically, because workers are staying on the processor, it is not getting memory to work on the task basically. So this is the best practice. If you are seeing that there's more than 60% utilization of CPU, then you have to just work on query tuning part, or optimizing that query. Okay, so you can set that and you can get an alert. Okay, yes, great. Uh-oh, what is this? Something missing details. Okay, so totally paid. See, everything is here is paid. Okay, so we can just see CPU name. Okay, CPU utilization, util. Okay, and we can say that threshold value. Okay, that's justified. Okay, just create. So this is totally paid. Basically whatever you're using the features now on that PaaS services na, you have to pay
Hmm.
basically. Okay, like Oracle, in Oracle you have to pay for every tool and services. Okay, like you are going
Hmm.
for rack data sorry, golden gate and rman whatever, you have to just pay.
Hmm.
So this is totally a business policy. Okay, basically the new companies and new company do not know how the technology basically, so they blindly go to the edge of any cloud services. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Right.
this, yeah, so this is an alert. You can set an alert. Okay, automatic alert. You can create, customize. Okay, you can refresh to see the alerts. Now you can set here the stop and start schedule also. If you are not using your system, na, then you can just start create. That is from 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. So system will stop automatically. Okay, so you can set that. Just you just create a schedule and see. You just pass the details and all. Select here which day. Okay, means let's see, we are not using our system on Saturday or Sunday, so you can set here timing. Let's see, you can say that hour 11, sorry, not 11, uh 01:05, and we can say am, sorry, not, this is pm. Okay, sorry, and no, this is start time, no, sorry. So start time we can keep at, let's say, 9 a.m. 9 a.m. and a stop the state, let's see, 1 p.m. So system will start after shutdown. Okay, after 1 p.m. it will start at 9 a.m. See, you can set, or you can just customize this default. Okay, just click here, edit and customize that one as per your requirement. If you are not using your system, so save for saving the cost of the company or invoice and all. So this is our settings from here. We are not going to tune from here. Okay, tuning part is not from here. Okay, now this database. Okay, this is a past database. Okay, so here we have too many tools basically for monitoring and managing the database. So let's see, we are going to that monitoring part. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, and then we have an intelligence performance. So see, I've already said that Insight, okay, query performance Insight is a tool which will provide you how to tune your queries. Okay, or you can also enable automatic tuning, but it will impact the performance of the past services basically, simply because it will run
Mhm,
at the when we are online or the transitional time, or we can say production time
mhm,
basically.
mhm,
So we cannot blindly enable this. See, it will ask for create force plan drop indexes. It is a
mhm,
template basically. Okay, and here is a query insight in which we get the query details and all. We can click that long running queries and CPU utilization wise, and then we can just click on this query ID and we get the query here. See, okay, and then we go inside the query, and then we can think of that how that. See, this is a hit. Similarly, we get a window na in Datadog monitoring. Okay, for on-premise or cloud systems, Datadog. We get this. Click the query and you get when it is executed, CPU and IO it is taken. Okay, the duration and all.
mhm,
So this is a tool, basically a useful tool, but you cannot implement basically the indexes from here. See, please avoid to create indexes from here. It will too many time consuming and IO utilization. Okay, so just copy this. So click on here. Okay, just you can just click here. So sorry on, and then you can click this. Oh, I am not getting it. Okay, so we can click here and then we get a new pop-up, and then pop-up we get a query that is create index name and the table name and the column name. So just copy this TSQL and then connect from admin studio, and then we can execute from here. It will take less than time than portal. Okay,
mhm,
this is about the performance. Then performance overview here. Okay, take care. Then see, so whatever we have now, that is, this is an overview. The dashboard, we can say that simpler dashboard. Okay, such as tuning activity,
mhm,
not in 7 days. See, we can get a dashboard. Automatic tuning out of three, one is enabled. So that we have enabled one, that we can say that create index. See no. What is that? See, we have enabled this one. Okay, so we can just, if not required, make it offline, offline, and offline, and save this. Apply. Yes. So it will not impact your performance databases. So before
mhm,
implementing here, na, just be sure, be cautious and all, which time you are doing. If you are not comfortable, then we can just copy this script and run from the manual studio. It's my experience basically. I've done multiple times.
mhm,
Okay.
mhm,
Now this is performance recommendation. So indexes and all we can get from here, but we have not database modification till now. So we are not getting anything here. Okay. So this is overall about performance. That is intelligent performance. That is insight. We can simply, in short, we can say insight. Okay, query process performance insight. We get for manage instance on Azure. Okay,
mhm,
we can also monitor from that other tool like extended events, profiler, DMBs. But this is a GUI part. Okay, then this is the audit part, and DT and encryption and all. So we can enable that, and integration not required. Okay, because it's a BI part, data management, replication, and sync to other databases. So we can start, I think, tomorrow on the replication part when we connect the database. Okay, because we are facing issues here. And this is a query editor. We can write query from here, connect to the
Mhm.
system, and then we can query from here also. Okay, this is like a query editor that is from my like management studio. So just let me pass the password. It will ask all, every time. Okay, don't
Mhm.
think you can pass one time, it will connect it every time. See, so you can get here the tables, view, and procedures, whatever the
Okay.
database objects here. Yeah,
Query editor. Okay.
yeah. It's just like a management studio new query. Okay, see here.
Mhm.
So that work like that. Okay, simple. Okay, just you can drag and drop. Sorry. Oh, not allowing his. So you can just select from this. There's the intelligence you can get
Mhm.
the
It
object
gives
name
the
also. So we can just see build version and just run. You can get the output. So this is whole about that database or managed instance. You can just monitor or tune the data from here, set alert from here. Okay, this is a simple part. Okay. So now I think for today, I'm not going to take another session, basically on a topic, basically. Okay, if any question, then we can discuss about that inside performance monitoring, performance tuning, and yeah, query editor and all.
the problems.
No, then just you can just create a
No, it's
free account from your Gmail account. Okay, just free account,
Mhm.
and then you can see all this the objects and all tabs and all. Okay, from that portal. So that will
Okay.
help you, yeah, in future. Okay, then we can start tomorrow. That if I will try to connect today. Okay, this one resolve
Mhm.
today, and then we can go for the replication part and then tuning part. Okay,
Mhm.
and then high availabilities. Okay, so we have three
Okay.
topics on that PaaS services. Okay, if you have any question, please
Mhm.
note it down and we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Salesh.
Thank you.